Based on the customer reviews, here are the top 5 mid-range cordless vacuums offer advanced features and performance, making them suitable for various cleaning needs while being priced above the budget category. Remember to check multiple sources for current pricing and availability, as these can change over time. 1. Dyson V11 Torque Drive. 2. Shark IZ462H Vertex Ultra Lightweight. 3. Samsung Jet 75 Complete. 4. LG Cord 0A9. 5. Tineco Pure 1S15 PED. 1. Dyson V11 Torque Drive. Average rating: 4.5 out of 5 stars. Typical price range: $499.99 - $699.99. Reasons to buy: powerful suction and intelligent cleaning modes. LCD screen shows remaining runtime and performance. Suitable for all floor types with automatic power adjustment. Common issues: expensive compared to other mid-range models. Battery life can be a limitation for larger homes. 2. Shark IZ462H Vertex Ultra Lightweight. Average rating: 4.2 out of 5 stars. Typical price range: $349.99 - $449.99. Reasons to buy: Duo Clean Power Fins deliver powerful cleaning on carpets and floors. Flexible wand for easy under furniture cleaning. Self-cleaning brush roll helps avoid hair wrap. Common issues: heavier than some competitors. Dustbin is smaller and requires frequent emptying. 3. Samsung Jet 75 Complete. Average rating: 4.2 out of 5 stars. Typical price range: $399.99 - $499.99. Reasons to buy: lightweight and easy to maneuver. Strong suction and long battery life. Includes multiple attachments for different surfaces. Common issues: dustbin design can be tricky to clean. A bit noisy in max power mode. 4. LG Cord 0A9. Average rating: 4.0 out of 5 stars. Typical price range: $399.99 - $549.99. Reasons to buy: dual battery system allows extended cleaning time. Excellent suction power and performance on all surfaces. Comes with a docking station for easy charging and storage. Common issues: expensive compared to other mid-range vacuums. Some users report issues with hair tangling in the brush roll. 5. Tineco Pure 1S15 PED. Average rating: 3.9 out of 5 stars. Typical price range: $299.99 - $399.99. Reasons to buy: smart sensor technology adjusts suction based on debris detection. Lightweight and easy to handle. Effective pet hair removal with specialized tools. Common issues: build quality feels less robust than premium brands. Battery life may not meet expectations for larger homes.